Hello everyone, I'm going to talk about the data visualization in this video. Why data visualization is important? Data visualization allows us to discover the structure, trends, and patterns of the data sets. Without data visualization, you cannot discover the patterns. In other words, it maps the series of data to the space. Visualization helps us to find the structure of data. To visualization, we can use a graph. There are several graphs that we can apply based on our type of data to visualize. The first case is the histogram. Histogram displays a continuous data. We can display the data based on the range from the minimum to the maximum and frequency of each case. The second case is our bar graph. In the bar graph, we can display the categorical data. For example, in this case, you can see the number of students present based on the month. There are some critical points between histogram and bar chart. The main differences between histogram and bar chart is the type of data. Usually, for the histogram, our data are continuous. For example, in this case, you can see the numbers between 10 to over 50, 10 to 60, and they are continuous data. But in the bar graph, you can see a categorical data. For example, type of name of countries. Name of countries is a categorical data. There is a gap between the bars in the bar chart, but in the histogram, there are no gaps between the bars. This is the first, and also you can display either horizontally or vertically the bar chart, but you cannot display horizontally histogram. This is the second differences between the histogram and bar chart. Another type of the plot that you can display is a scatter plot. A scatter plot shows data as a point based on the scales. This is a type of the waterfall scatter plot for no COVID-19 cases in the Clark County. Also, in the scatter plot, you can display a little bit complex. For example, you can display multivariate visualization. In this case, you can see the size for additional variables and colors, and also the shape of each dot. You can display a little bit more complex for the multivariate scatter plot. And also you can visualize the linear regression in the scatter plot for each variable. Another case is the line graph. To display the time series data, you can use a line graph to display your data. And also you can put the annotation on the line graph that gives more information to the reader. The next case is the box plot. To read the box plot, we need to focus on each element on the box plot. For example, here you can see the maximum rate on the top and minimum on the bottom. Outside the minimum or maximum are outliers. Outliers are the numbers that are not fit with others. For example, if your range of data is between 1 to 10, the outliers are below 1 or extremely above 10. Between the line and the box is a whisker, the top whisker and bottom whisker, and also you have a box. Each side of the box displays the quartile. We have 4 quartiles here. The first quartile finished here. We have a second quartile between the bottom section of the box until the median, and from medium to the top side of the box is the third quartile, and the top vesicle is the fourth quartile. So the middle line is median. In our example box plot here, you can see the differences based on the days, and also you can see the median, and also there are some outliers that display in the box plot. Another type of the data visualization is the map. I will talk in the different video about the map visualization. Also here I'm going to show you how you can visualize your data using Excel. We already provided the information of the new cases COVID-19 data for Clare County. Our data started from March 5th until September 9th, and then I'm going to display the new cases for Clare County as a line graph here, because it is a type of the time series. The best case for the time series is the line graph. Okay, I can see our data here. Also you can make it a little bit wider. You can right click on the graph and then choose the select data. Our data already selected, but I'm going to make some changes in this chart. You can go to the select data. Our data already selected, but I'm going to put the labels for the x-axis. I want to choose the dates. Okay. You can see the dates on the bottom x-axis, and the numbers of the new cases as a line here. Also you can change the title. Also you can make some changes in the chart. For example, you can make it a little bit different. Okay, you can bring this line graph in your report, and also you can choose another type of if you are going to bring it in the PowerPoint for presentation, you can choose a different design. And also if you want to bring it in the report, such as the articles or offshore report, you can choose a different design of the graph. Okay, this is the just example for you that how you can use the Excel for the data visualization. Thank you for watching this video.